Can you talk a bit about your approach to your swing trading? Do you use a separate account for that? Absolutely. My approach to swing trading sometimes starts out as a basic intraday trade, not unlike anything and everything you guys have seen me do this week or last intensive or the intensive before that. Sometimes, most times, my swing trading starts out just knowing from a narrative perspective, hey, there's a swing trade opportunity. I then don't just go put on a swing trade, right? That's not what I do. I have a swing trade account. It's good to keep these things separate. It's very good because if I end up short, 5 contracts after scaling out, and that's when I'm holding overnight and whatever, well, I don't want to come in and buy 5 contracts the next day. And then because I'm long, I'm flat. Well, that's too confusing. Okay. Like I'm short-term long, but long-term short. No. You have to put them in separate accounts just to keep the accounting easy and your brain from getting fried. My swing trading typically starts out with a narrative idea for swing trading. Really good narrative on the higher time frames, right? Yearly, quarterly, things like that. I still dial them in typically with normal intraday trading, monthly, weekly, CVA, TPO, overnight balance, DVAs, order flow. Let's time a trade and have a tight stop, normal stop, like you guys see me trading. And if I end up nailing it and it ends up going, that turns into the swing. So that's how I approach it. The only other thing I would say for full transparency is sometimes I have a third account for options swing trading only. Okay. So there's a handful of things that I do swing trading wise. I've not been very active the past couple of months in the options trading, but I'm very happy with my options trading. It's just the way I do it, and we don't have to get into it here, but the way I do it, I tend to not get to sleep so much if a position is remotely threatening me. Let's keep in mind, I don't remember which direction. I don't remember what happened. I think, let's say I was long crude oil a year ago, Thanksgiving. Any of you remember what happened in the crude oil market last Thanksgiving? Holy crap. So into like Thanksgiving Day, or no, it was when the markets opened Thanksgiving Day afternoon. I don't know. I didn't sleep much at that time, so my memory of it is hazy. All I know is I was at my in-laws in Kentucky on my laptop, literally did not go to sleep. Hedged and actively traded a naked short options position into insanity in the crude oil space. Anyways, that's an outlier example, but I like the strategy of naked short options and then delta hedging with futures. But that requires, if I'm ever going to really, really do that, like try to make that one of my main sources of trading income, I'm probably going to hire more than one trader to trade the delta hedging for me in different time zones around the clock. That's probably what I'll do.